students in the building. Guys, Malum is joining us soon. So we're gonna start the session already. He'll join us along the way. Are you guys good, man? It's a Wednesday, it's a Tuesday today. It's a Tuesday. And much like last week, guys, this session, we're gonna make sure that we cover a few things. Free accounts. We're gonna talk about PTA because we're going to Pretoria next month on the 7th, which is literally around the corner. Hope you guys are ready. Yeah, man, it's gonna be a blast. It's gonna be a blast. So, guys, I wanna ask you something. So, we hope majority of the people today are actually FS goats, because what I wanna ask you is that since we have mostly FS goats people here, because we want you guys to win, some free accounts, it's gonna be hard to ask FS Go students questions and not have everyone having the right answer.
Yeah. One thing we recommend for sure, guys, is to obviously use one of the brokers we recommend.
Yes. And also, guys, we are going to do some few analysis today. And with respect to FS Go students, I don't think we're gonna include the 3.0 strategies. However, you guys know that because those are for those who have paid, and it will be unfair to you who have been getting the strategies not for free. So we're gonna make sure we're still going to analyze. Obviously, we will not use the new strategies, but the analysis will still be, valid, just not using the current strategies. So yes, guys. Hopefully you guys are ready. Let's do the most. Already, I am seeing someone saying, analyze, please. Yeah, sir. That's what we're planning to do, man. That's what we're planning to do. Hopefully, you guys are ready. Yes, sir.
What do you want to do now?
Share screen, then we can start it afresh.
Yeah. So basically, guys, we're gonna share screen on what we want you guys to see. You can remove the analysis and stuff from scratch. I don't know what you do.
We're gonna start, guys. I'm gonna remove the analysis because what I use to analyze here is one of the 3.0 strategies, of which is the Fibonacci trends in trend strategy. We're gonna do that one next week when we're hosting it privately, because this week we're making it another giveaway for basically FS Go students. So just gonna make sure that we stick to the strategies that are already out there for free, which is the normal high and low and the normal trends in trends. Those are the strategies we'll be strictly using when we're analyzing today. So yes, guys, I'm gonna start analyzing gold, and along the way, guys, we are going to make sure we ask questions so that we are able to give you guys some pre-funding accounts. Now, the only question is, I'm going to wonder, how are we going to maneuver around the questions we're going to ask? Because most of you already have the answers. It's like I'm asking you questions while you have the name, which is the 3.0. Yeah. It's gonna be
somebody's asking me the Smangalis, are you good? I'm good, man. I just recently put on my braces, guys. I can't talk too much. Yeah, it's a struggle for like 7 days. So we're gonna see how it goes, man. We're gonna see how it goes.
Yeah, guys, it's not easy, guys. You guys know where we come from, Pella. Hey, the water and everything, basically where we come from, just messed up too much of our teeth. So it's that time now. We start fixing ourselves. You know what I mean? That self-taking care of. When they say money cleans you, this is what they mean, guys.
So now we're using zones.
Yes. Currently, I started with the high and low strategy, and I'm now just marking out our zones based on the high and low strategy.
Yeah, and guys, we're gonna look at Euro AUD after. Yes, after the gold analysis.
So now I'm gonna just speak, guys, about the market condition. We had obviously a bearish trend towards the downside, and then from then on we started to have a bullish trend towards the upside, and we're back again towards the bearish trend towards the downside, of which the market hasn't really failed to break below, but it is still there at support, meaning that a break below of the support still doesn't confirm that we might still go for overall sales unless the break of this structure over here, because this one was the most strongest high for a long time, and the market has been struggling to cross below this price since 2020, guys. Since 2020.
Yeah.
So we know below that line is going to give us strong sells towards the downside. All right. Let me just simply remove this. I'm just showing you guys the momentum. When you're analyzing, guys, the purpose of why we're having trends is for you to understand the momentum of what does a trend show you. I now understand that we are still in a bearish trend. It shows me, and I have an understanding of that. If I'm still in a bearish trend, that means sellers will still be stronger than the buyers. All right. True. That is what we are learning from it. So yes, right now I'm just covering the. Okay, let me start from the top, guys. I see from the bottom, it doesn't really respect. I understand why you're making trends. The reason of why you have trends is to make sure that you are able to see what kind of a trend are you in, and whether you have a breakout side, and if you have a breakout side, what do you do, and when do you start to capitalize with the buys? All right. So basically, this is the trend that we are seeing in our bearish trend of gold. Since now I'm done with my candlestick, I'll go back to my line chart, and currently I can already see where we are. We can see that we are still inside of our bearish trend. Now let's go and dive in deeper and go towards our 4 hours.
Yeah. Guys, NFP, we are on for NFP, guys. We're gonna see you there with NFP. On the 7th.
Yes, sir.
PTA,
yes,
we're
sir.
coming, guys. We're coming.
Sir. Yes, sir.
And I think already we're sold out, dog. I think we're sold out.
Yeah, I 100% believe we're sold out, but you know the codes. We can even do 4 sessions if we have to. We don't mind. We can do 4 different sessions. We don't mind. For Pretty A, don't worry. We'll never be sold out. We're the goats. So the more numbers come, the better. Even if I have to teach for 24 hours, I don't mind. So you guys come in numbers. We will do more sessions for you. We don't mind.
Yeah. So guys, it's going to be strictly for vault markets. Those who are trading with vault markets will be able to join us if they find their account. And if you fill the form today and you didn't get a response, know that we were basically sold out. We are now getting more space for everybody.
Thanks.
So that it can be a successful session. So one thing I can do, guys, before we continue, I can give you guys a question. I want to give you guys a question. You just have to give us 4 answers. You must give us 4 options on your answer in order for you to qualify to win.
Guys, understand this question is related. Unfortunately, guys, this session again is for FS Gold students, so it's related to FS Gold students. It doesn't matter if you have the 1.0, 2.0, 3.0. However, if you are an FS Gold mentee, then this question is basically referred to you.
Yeah. So the question is, why should you trade Forex? We just want 4 easy answers, guys. Why should you trade Forex?
Yes, sir. Hopefully you guys said the question, guys. The question is, why do you trade Forex?
Why should you?
Yeah, just give us a nice detailed answer of 4
options.
4
options. Actually, we can have 5 answers.
Yeah, you can make it 5 to make it more juicy. The one who has more, I'll say, lucrative answer, we're gonna choose that person, because you guys know, guys, you are students, you know, you have the memo to our questions, you know, we teach what we ask right here.
So from your perspective, guys, why should you trade Forex?
Yes. As we wait for the people to answer.
Guys, we need 4 answers per individual. So an answer to the question needs to be 4 options. Then we're gonna take your answer.
Yes.
So number 1 is saying to kill poverty.
Now, man, we said 4 answers. I need you to give me like 4, like 4. You know what I mean? 4 answers. Detail them a bit, meaning that
1, 2, 3, 4.
Don't just make them bullet points. Like give it statements, like sentences, 1 or 2 lines. You know what I mean? Just to have an understanding of
to sanitize poverty.
Yes, okay.
To attain financial freedom. Okay, here's the first one. Tristan Andreas.
Yes. Tristan always wins. Let's see this week. I'm sure they don't like you, Tristan.
Let's see.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's see.
Tristan only gave 2.
Okay, Tristan, you are disqualified. You have only 2, meaning that we won't take that as an answer, guys. We want 4. We're waiting for someone to just start with 4 answers. Waiting for one single individual. You're all currently giving us 1 bullet point answer. Okay, here's the first one. Pablo. Is it Pablo? The first one is this. Pablo Brunet.
Fabio.
Oh, it's Fabio. Oh, I couldn't see properly. Fabio Brunet. 1, to change your life. 2, to try something new. 3, to move into the digital sector. 4, develop a mental and emotional fortitude. How do you feel about the answers? The answers, I like them, but they don't really cover, regarding Forex in general.
So guys, talk about you being able to use being able to trade Forex. How much it costs you to trade Forex, things like that.
You know what I mean? Hey, I can't give you the answers.
I can't give you guys the answers.
Hey, the world is changing to the 4th industrial revolution, to attain financial freedom, to retire my parents from the 9 to 5, to be successful and kill poverty. Sounds more like goals of trading Forex. Okay,
Why should you?
Tablo says Tablo dog. To be your own boss.
The answers you are getting.
Hey, dog, it's not what I expected. Think of your financial problems if you have one in the past, to create potential generational wealth. Was the question really that difficult? It looks like the question is
these
difficult.
guys are scamming us.
It's not that you don't like the answers, but it's like, yeah, it's not the one.
Okay, let's celebrate the numbers. Ladies and gentlemen, we have 195 people on the building.
Yes, sir.
195, man.
Jaguar, okay, seems like our question is difficult, Jaguar. Do you have any easy questions? Okay, guys.
Can I ask
let me just give them the answers. Okay, before you start, let's just finish. Give them the answer we're expecting. These are the answers we expected.
So, guys, why should you trade Forex? The first thing is that it's accessible, right? That is one of the easiest jobs to do, because there's no barrier of entry. You can trade by yourself from anywhere in the world. You can literally be on a mountain.
You can say accessible and also flexible. You understand? The
flexibility, and also your dress code. You don't have to wear a suit and a tie.
You can use any device.
Those are the things you want to learn. Not your dreams and goals of Forex, but why.
Yeah.
You understand?
Another thing, guys, it's liquidity. You know what I mean? Like, it doesn't really cost a lot to trade Forex. As long as you have a good broker, you can deposit any amount.
It doesn't have barriers to entry. Anyone can be a trader. You know what I mean?
And another thing, guys, it's leverage, guys. With leverage, you're able to turn any amount to any amount, as long as you know which strategy to use. As long as you know all those things.
Yes.
It can be very easy for you.
And unlike in our business, Forex is transparent. You know what I mean? You see your profits and losses straightforward. You know what I mean? You are still in the market dealer. You are both the buyer and the seller.
And we have low business expenses. So basically, as you guys know, with Forex, you can get a broker like both markets. Both markets has low spreads, stuff like that. So that is low business cost.
Yeah, look.
Hey, it's fine. MS got your man.
Those are the kind of answers we were expecting. But it's fine, guys. It's fine. I guess the question was, I don't know, either too vague or too strong.
Let me ask the first question, guys.
Yes.
Can everyone get ready for the question? This is the easiest. It's related to FS Gold. I mean, we've never asked any question related to FS Gold ever since we started. So
yeah,
this is the simplest question ever, guys. It's related to FS Gold. The people who are holding this session, guys, this has to do with geography. Ish. Who knows geography? I don't know. This has to do with geography. Ladies and gentlemen, the question is, where are FX Gold offices? Where is FX Gold based? Simple and straightforward.
Currently.
Whoever who gets this question, I give it to them. Where is FX Gold based? Where are FX Gold offices? The first answer, I give it to them. Okay, I got the nicest answer. I take this answer. Guys, no. The way the val is too big, it's too vague. I have the one answer. Tokozani Jelly says Vanderbilt Park Val. That is more straightforward, guys. We give it to him. Vanderbilt Park Val. That is more precise.
Okay. What's the name? They must send the CU number.
Oh yeah, they must send the CU number. Send your email address that you are registered with and the CU number.
So that's the first winner for today.
That's the first winner for today. You can ask guys.
That's the first winner for today, guys.
Okay, guys.
How much are you giving them? Are you giving them?
So guys, SAST students, do you want us to fund you 500 or 1,000 rand? 500 it being what? $20 and 1,000 being $50.
I don't know. How much should we fund?
Guys, Eddie just gave you the right answer. Jaguar, look, he dropped you the location straight at your door. Look, he's the only one I've seen. Look.
That one is
dropped you. Guys, Eddie the win. I'm sorry, whoever won this.
That is Google. But that is Google. This one.
But he dropped you exactly the location.
That one is Google. Okay, fine. Let's make them. Let's make them the second winner. Fine, let's make them the second one. Sharp.
You're scared me.
That's the second.
It's still the same question. Guys. Still the same question. You don't have to just copy and paste. It's like
this was Google copy and paste.
One bait with 2 stones, but in this instance, it's 2 stones, 1 bait. Yeah. So okay, guys, it's gonna be 1,000 rand. So David basically
fine.
500 is like $27 and 1,000 rand is like 55.
So how much are we giving? We're giving 1,000. We're giving how much? 1,000.
$55. The rand is failed. The rand is 2 people. 18 rand per dollar. Plus 18 rand per dollar. The thing is, actually, the dollar is increasing, guys. Did you check today the price of the dollar?
It's 18 rand something.
It's $1. Also, guys, the next question is, how do you manage risk? The second question, guys, we have the first winner for the first question. 3 answers. How do you manage risk? We need 3 answers per individual. Per individual. I can't even pronounce this word anymore. Hey, guys, the races are not easy, guys. Guys, we need 3 answers per individual. How do you manage risk?
How do you manage?
How do you manage risk? 3 answers per individual. Give us 3 answers.
Yeah, and I think we should ask questions related to the market as well. Like, where I am right now, are you going to enter your buys already? Or, you know what I mean? We need to also test your guys' ability to take trades. Because we can teach you how to trade, but when you don't even know how to take trades.
Guys, we need 3 answers per individual. So you need to say 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 on your answer. On your answer, guys. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, go check there. Go check. My bad. Shop, I'm done. All right.
I'm gonna check the first answer. We have Simpiwe, stop loss, risk management, generally. Okay, 3 tools. 3 tools. How do you manage your risk using 3 tools, guys? 3 tools. What 3 tools can you use to manage your risk? 3 tools that are there on your MT4 platform, or 3 rules that are there on your trading platform. Tools, I mean to say, sorry, guys. What are the 3 tools that you need to manage your risk. Okay, now we're starting with the tools.
Check the answers there. Check the answers.
The first one is saying stop loss, lot size, risk to reward. Almost. Guys, these are the tools that you have on your MT4 platform. What are the 3 tools that you have on your MT4 platform that will help you manage your risk? We have stop loss, trailing stop.
Stop.
We have
what size? This ratio.
Bongi say buy limit, sell limit. Need 3 answers. We have Isa Perp. I hope I'm saying it right. Stop loss, trailing stop, scaling. Scaling is not a tool. We need 3 tools on your MT4 platform to manage your risk, guys. These are
do you guys know tools, guys? The tools, guys.
The tools. Guys, risk management is not a tool. There's no tool called risk management. Risk management is a skill that you use the tools.
Guys, 3 tools, guys. We're making it hard for you because you guys are the GOAT.
Yes, and guys, those who haven't checked out the video about the MT4 and MT5 ban on iOS, make sure you watch the video to have an understanding of how does this affect you and what can you do. If you already have the app, what should you do? What should you do not do once you already have the app? And if you don't have it, what are alternate devices you can use to basically still trade?
Guys, think about it, guys. These tools are there on your trading platform. The same way, we're gonna give you one.
Okay,
right? Stop loss is correct. That's a tool. What other tools can you use to limit your risk? Stop loss is correct. What are the other 2? Guys, what are the other 2 answers, guys? Somebody saying take profit. Guys, it's stop loss and the other 2 tools to manage your risk.
Question. Emmanuel, you are fighting tonight. Your questions are difficult.
I feel like Im's questions never have winners.
Every time. That's why he's a GOAT. Thapelo, you have to ask questions. Emmanuel,
the difficult ones are nice, guys. Someone was close. Someone said, let me check here. They said stop loss, order limit, lot size. Lot size is wrong. So that's disqualified. Remember, guys, 3 tools: stop loss and what? 2 other tools, guys. What orders, guys? Explain what kind of order. What kind of an order you mean? And you can't just say pending orders. I'm giving them the answer now, and they still can't get the answer. Guys, you can't just say pending orders. You can't say pending orders. So which one is it?
We can't have the same question.
Give me the answer. Guys, it's stop loss. And by saying pending orders, you're wrong. You must explain which one. It's 3 answers, guys. Guys, I'm gonna give you the answer. Every single student. You guys.
Emmanuel, ask
stop loss. Guys, it's stop loss. It's limit orders and it's stop orders, guys. Buy limit, sell limit, stop orders, a buy, stop, sell, stop, and a stop loss. Those things limit your risk. Those are the tools you have on your MT4 platform to limit your risk.
Let me give you a simple one, me guys. I want simple answers. Basically, I just need three disadvantages of Forex trading, guys. What are the 3 disadvantages of Forex, guys? 3 disadvantages as a trader, or 3 disadvantages of Forex trading. We're skipping Im's question, guys. No one is the winner. It's like when you open that
Guys,
thing
today
and it goes to top loss.
Guys, I'm making the questions difficult. I have braces on. I'm going through pain. So you
Guys,
will feel
Guys, can we celebrate? We are sitting on 250 viewers.
Yes. Guys, remember the latest question. So I'm starting to look out for answers now, guys. The latest question is 3 disadvantages of trading Forex. 3 disadvantages, eh?
advantages.
Yes.
Disadvantages.
Let's see now.
They're still repeating the same question, the old question.
Okay, guys, I'm ready for someone who's going to start giving me the latest question answers, which is 3 disadvantages of trading Forex. 3, number 1, risk, manipulations, and emotions. How is that disadvantages? How is I want answers, man.
And guys, those who are asking about the Telegram
Guys,
groups,
please go to detail a bit, convince me you want to be right.
yeah. And those guys asking about the Telegram groups, we're gonna cover that next week on our Zoom session.
Number 1.
Because now it's a live,
Yeah.
so we're gonna cover those questions on the Zoom.
Yeah, they're saying losing money, 2, not contracting, not concentrating at school, and then and work,
Yeah.
and 3, depression and anxiety. Hey, what kind of disadvantage is that? You guys are too personal now,
But wrong per se.
yeah, you're not wrong per se.
But it's not the answer.
There's not a right or wrong answer, but that's not the answer we're looking for. It needs time and dedication, requires a lot of patience. You lose money at first. 1, by using the right loss size. Is this my? I don't think that's the answer for me. No, Forex trading doesn't have to stop when the sun goes up. We said disadvantages, so here I'm seeing advantages. So I'm looking for disadvantages, guys. It can mess with your emotions. Money addiction when you don't have the money to fund, to a point you are yelling things at home, without permission, or you're selling things at home without permission. Risk your money. Okay, there's risk. I believe I'll go with the risk, guys. So the risk, the biggest one, I'll say the risk of blowing your account, risk of money. I'll go with the risk. So, but I haven't found someone who can give me, like an understanding of disadvantages. Disadvantages of trading Forex. Can you help me?
But guys, today it's hot. Is it just me talk or it's hot? It's hot today.
Today it's hot, dog.
Today it's hot, guys.
You need you to drink some Red Bull. Yeah, it's hot too.
Let me see. Small market movement can have a big impact. Exchange rates are very volatile. Currency markets are extremely difficult to predict. Not wrong. The answers are not wrong. It has high leverage. Number 2, it involves high risk. I like the high risk. Yes, it has high risk. It requires emotional intelligence. But I want disadvantage. That's more of like an answer of what Forex needs. Disadvantage, I'll go with the one that involves high risk, which is I'm giving us already the kind of answers I'm looking for. You know what I mean? High risk. So what else do you think I'm looking for? Okay, manipulations from whales. Let's see, there's high leverage.
It's not open on weekends.
It has high leverage, high risk, not open on weekends. It is a risk. There's always be a loss. Your account should be able to survive, though. Market makers are against us. It's okay. First of all, okay, the first 2. Then I'll see who's gonna give me the last one, guys. I'm giving the first 2, of which you've already given out by some people detailing it. High risk and also possibility of manipulations, obviously, from the market makers. And the last one, how can you guys detail the disadvantage of trading Forex, guys? What can it do to you? You know what I mean? To your man. Hey, I guess that's an answer as well.
These comments are too much.
There's too many answers. Like,
today. So
Small
that's
student.
crazy.
Small market movements. can
Someone
have
said
big
small
impact.
exactly. Two exchange rates are very volatile. Currency markets are extremely difficult to guys. Currency markets are extremely difficult to predict. Stop lying.
Okay, number loss of capital, it can cause you to lose capital. Yes, market is manipulated. Yes, past market doesn't determine. Guys, this person actually just only failed to have the last one. Almost. You almost killed it. You almost killed it. You almost killed it. You almost high risk of losing your capital. You trade against big banks, which is professionals. You can say manipulations and affect you emotionally. The emotions one. Okay, let's keep it. Okay, Kosinati Radebe, high leverage risk, true. Change in exchange rate. Okay, let's keep. Guys, there was someone who almost answered right. Guys, go to that individual. High risk, manipulations, easy to lose man. Yes, because I wanted to be better. Risk, manipulations, and capital. So I guess this person is the closest.
Yeah.
What's the name? Kenan Adonis. That is the winner, guys.
Send me your CU number.
High risk, manipulations, and easy to. Basically, the answers I'm looking for is that it has a high risk, guys. High risk of leverage, high risk of, you know what I mean? It's risky to be a trader. Number two, manipulations. The biggest thing also about the market is that there's also a lot of manipulations inside because of the market makers. Sometimes it can come from other reasons. And lastly, guys, you can lose all your capital, guys. You can come as someone who's already a millionaire and go broke and become a brokey. You understand? So it's very dangerous if you don't understand the fundamentals and disadvantages of forex trading. So
Yeah,
guys, the winner for this one.
Yeah, can two of the winners of today send their CU numbers? We're gonna give them
the names.
8,000. Yeah, hey, I remember the names, but the other one I don't remember. But can they both send their CU numbers? And then we're gonna who's the second one right now? The one that you just got. Do you remember the name?
It was Kenan Adois or something.
Okay,
like
fine.
that.
Not Kenan Febs. Okay, fine. Fine. Send your CU number to me. Not Kenan. Not A.K.A. Yeah, the latest one. Can they send their CU numbers? Both people who have won today. The first one was Tokozani. I think yeah, they won. So the second one is Kenan. Can they both send their CU numbers? Both will get and then someone, Christian says, I haven't got any response from last week's. Okay, please send a CU number here. Three people, Christian, this one, Keegan, and Tokozan. Can three of them send their CU number? And then from there, I want to start with analysis as well. I want to analyze something very interesting after the twins.
Oh, you want to analyze?
I want to do some. No, you guys finish up and then I'm gonna do one. I wanna do.
Should I do Euro, guys? Do you think I should do Euro USD or Nasdaq? Let's see. The majority will lead the answer, guys.
Kenan, can you send the CU number here?
Guys, the CU number is you need to go to the broker we recommend, which is both markets. You go to a profile, you send us your CU number. You're gonna see it under your profile.
Yes, sir. And PTA.
Then we're gonna transfer the funds from our account to your account.
PTA, I won't forget. PTA, we're coming, guys. PTA, we're coming. Make sure you join the link on the description. Jared, you put the link on the description.
Yes, everything is there, my brother.
Yeah, go to the link on the description. Send the
guys, Euro AUD or Nasdaq.
Euro AUD, how? They will eat you alive.
But look, most of the people are saying Nasdaq.
Fine, Nasdaq, let me do it then.
Eh? You wanna kill it?
Okay, do it. I'll do something else. I'll do gold.
I did gold.
Please do Euro AUD.
Let me leave you with Nasdaq. I'll do Euro AUD.
Okay, fine. Do Euro. Okay, do Euro AUD. Then I'll do Nasdaq. Fine.
All right.
Nasdaq. Nasdaq is not nice. Okay, fine.
Okay, let me do the nice Nasdaq.
It's already complete. That's the thing. There's nothing to do.
Yeah. I just only want to see like what are we gonna potentially start looking at when the market starts becoming beautiful.
So guys, can I give you guys the last question?
Don't we have two answers or the two winners?
No, we already cool. We already good.
Yes.
We gave
We have only
1,000
two
each.
winners. Yeah. It's unfortunate. I know you want to have questions, but your questions today,
Emmanuel,
they've proven, not a void.
Okay, I only got one CU number from Tristan, and this is the last week's winner. So I only got one CU number. So whoever that Muhao guy say we always win, but we never get our accounts funded. I always win where? When has this Muhao guy ever won? What did he ever win? Rest. Don't come here with negative energy. Those who have won accounts, they know. We have Cindy M. She has won accounts and she can tell us. So don't come here with negative energy. If you have negative energy, go away from the life. We're not here for negativity. We're not here. I'm gonna discipline you and even block you from our life.
Hey, guys, you don't want to mess with the malums.
We're not here for negativity.
Guys, similarly to
I see O_Pep. I'm gonna look for your wins.
I see we had a very trend here, you know what I mean? And then now, guys, I think we are currently in the creation of a new bullish trend, but the market was supposed to respect, but actually broke below. So it means that.
Let me see that. Yeah,
You see, Cindy M saying yes, and thank you guys so much. So whoever comes with negative vibes, we're not here to entertain that. We're not here to entertain that.
Look at this, guys. This is what we're expecting, guys. I won't lie. This is what we're expecting. I'm going to show you from here, from this point. We're expecting the market to just come to retest and then obviously
went back inside.
Yes. So the market went back inside, guys. We are still back inside our
So right now we are approaching our buy zone. So basically here, guys, it's our buy zone here. As you guys can see, it's now a strong support. Previously, it was a resistance, as you guys can see, but the market has been playing on top ever since. So now it's back at our buy zone. Should we cross below? It's a clear sell.
It's a clear sell.
Should we break outside?
So right now, like Jaguar said, Nasdaq where it is still back in a bearish trend. We are now currently towards our support, which means that the market hasn't yet chosen any direction. We can now just basically come back from the support. From this point on, we're going to wait.
It's a deciding factor.
Yes, we're going to have a breakout below, which confirms sales towards the upside. And if we have a breakout side retest, we're going to start looking whether we're going to start now respecting our buys. Because basically, I would say this is how the market would try to break outside. I wanna do it with like with the zones. With the zones, guys. I would say the first indication of our bias will be above this line here. As you see, it's been also as strong as a resistance. Above this line, having a retest on top would then confirm our bias. Across above this one gives us even healthier bias for us to continue going towards the upside. So even with Nasdaq, guys, we're still at a support. We're still in a bearish trend. So where the market is, I don't recommend anyone to take any trades. Like Jaguar said, Nasdaq is ugly. So yes, guys,
it's the same factor.
Yes,
any entry now is a premature entry. You can win.
Whoever is trading right now, I will just put it in simple terms. You are gambling. So yes, Jaguar, let me stop sharing screen. Yes, let me stop sharing screen. Analyze Euro AUD.
Perfect, my bro. Perfect. What did you say I must analyze?
Euro. Well, did you guys say AUD or USD? I wonder.
Can you repeat?
Candy
M says AUD.
But Candy M are a Euro AUD. They're saying
okay,
Euro
fine, perfect.
Please.
Can everyone hear me at home? Can I get five emojis?
Sorry, JJ. For those who are saying, when are we coming to Joburg? Guys, I would recommend for those staying Joburg, attend the PTA one. Because I won't lie. After PTA, we have to go further away, guys. I won't do PTA. Joburg, no. Mpumalanga, Limpopo, you know what I mean? Venda, no places that far. We've never went to those niggas, guys. We have to be fair. After that, we're playing outside the country.
We're going to go see Wakushisha.
Chugucha. We are.
Guys, don't worry, guys. I can say what Goshesha.
We are paid. Not a lot.
For me, it's not racist or anything like that. I'm paid. Goshesha.
Okay, guys. Okay, fine. Before I analyze, let's do this game. Let's do this very nice game. You see what I already have? Okay, let me just remove it. It's fine.
You know, professional traders can already see. Like
exactly. Let's start say 1. Let's come and say 2. You see, after 1, what happened? After 2, what will happen? Okay, fine. Let's start trading.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Let us analyze. It's fine. Let's remove all the drawings starting from a daily time frame, a weekly time frame. Ladies and gentlemen, I greet you all and I hope everyone is doing well. The Omari Jaguar, the Omari JJ, the trader from the villages. Hey, when you come home and tell them about Forex, they say, Aki triple M to you. They don't know.
Oh, they think it's triple M.
Yeah, they say, Aki triple M, the balloon, it's so fufa. But it's fine, guys. Every time when you trade, let me give a lesson. Every time when you trade and when you analyze using technical analysis, you must always start on a weekly time frame or any other time frame that is bigger than 1 hour. The reason being is that you want to see the overall direction of the market.
Yeah. Guys, those who are interested in a sorry to disturb you guys. Those who are interested in a match, please go to FS Gold official _ FS Gold. Go to our handle. You can even go to our Instagram. You're gonna see it's tagged on the bio. Go there, contact admin. It's gonna lead you to WhatsApp, and you're gonna get the t-shirt.
Yeah, you're gonna get your t-shirt, and I'm always wearing FS Gold merch every day. Wherever you see me in public, I'm gonna be wearing it. I wear my own.
I almost wore FS Gold, guys. I almost wore.
Yeah, don't start a war. Let's start, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, you always have to start to a time frame that is bigger than 1 hour. The reason is that you want to see the overall direction. The first thing you must establish when you are trading is whether the particular trade you want to take, is it a swing trade or it's a scalp trade? What is the reason, Thapelo, for a person knowing whether the trade that they are going to be taking, is it a swing or a scalp? What is the reason? Why should a person know that information?
I would say the reason you want to do that is to try to see that if you want to taking a scalp trade, you need
how long will you hold?
Yes, you need to know how long will you hold, and you also need to understand on which pairs can you do that. And basically, guys, scalp traders and swing traders don't get the same kind of profit and losses. You know what I mean? So for those who don't know when to spot a swing, they can end up making the worst scalp trade. It can be the best buy, and overall it's a overall swing, and then that best buy becomes your worst nightmare. So it's very important for you guys to know the fundamental basis behind swing traders and respect swing traders, because it's not everybody who can swing. Not everybody can swing. We can all scalp, but hey, swings, hey, those ones.
So at this time and moment, I'm in a weekly time frame. I'm looking at Euro AUD. I'm thinking, wow, okay, so I already have something in mind. I see that, wow, we've been bearish at this time and moment. So we started being bearish when? We started being bearish on the 20th, I mean on the 16th of March, 2020. Today it's what? It's the 26th. Let me confirm if I'm correct or wrong. It's the 27th of September. So that means almost the whole year we've been selling euro out. So I'm already registering something in my mind. So for deeper analysis, I would say for what to do to over-analyze this, you can go get yourself the 3.0. The link is on our bios everywhere on Instagram to understand the more things, to understand this in a better way. But for now, I'll skip certain things. So I've already told you that one thing I've checked, we've been on this position since the 16th of March. Today is the 27th. We're still selling. The other things I would have classified to see in a month how much we sell, in a month how much we buy. I would have done that, but I don't want to do it. So for now, let us just put that at the back of our mind and move to a daily time frame. On a daily time frame, I'm seeing something. There's something called a double bottom. I'm seeing it and I'm establishing it. A double bottom is always where it's always on your support. So what do? I highlight that position because it plays a major role. It plays as a support structure. In any time, you must have what? You must have a playground. A playground is the structure that you get where the market plays. You don't want to come here and say this is your playground and say this is your resistance because nothing has been happening. So you want to make sure that your playground touches most parts in the market. Let me repeat. You want to make sure your playground touches most of the latest parts in the market. You don't want to have a playground where the ball is no longer going. You don't want to be having a playground that is like, for example, I don't want to say a D-line is not a playground because the ball is always going there. You don't want to be having a playground in Greenpoint Stadium, whereas you are playing at Mabhida Stadium. You get it? Currently, you must establish the fact that I'm playing at Moses Mabhida Stadium, which is in Durban. Greenpoint is in Cape Town. So it cannot be my playground because at the time and moment, I'm playing where? At Moses Mabhida Stadium. So this is more like a Greenpoint Stadium. So let me go to Moses Mabhida, where it's my current latest playground. And then I do what? I put my resistance. So now I have my support and my resistance. So whatever that is in between, it's what? It's a playground. That's what's going to help me to understand whether I'm buying or selling. But I already have a background understanding that on a support, I buy, on a resistance, I sell. I'm teaching the basics. Let's get it. So I continue having all the important playgrounds, mini playgrounds in between. All those important mini playgrounds are what are my resistance and support levels in between.
JJ,
Hola?
we have a problem here by the comment section, guys. We have two Kinen. There's another Kinen who probably mistaken that we chose him. Kinen, Kruya again. We are not the one who won, guys. The Kinen who won, it was Ado something. Was Kinen Ado something. So now I already see, guys, most of the reasons other people don't get funded it could be also one of these things. You know what I mean? Some people think that we chose them, but it's not them. Instead, who give us the CU number. When you are the winner, you give us the CU number, but you already gave to the wrong individual. Please, guys, avoid that. Kinen Kruhwen. I don't know how to pronounce your name. You are not the winner, my brother. It's another Kinen. It's another Kinen. Chop.
Hey guys, you see now people have been winning for.
Yeah, it's Kenyan Adonis.
Yes,
that's the one.
Yes.
Kenyan Adonis.
Yes.
Okay,
Adonis.
can you guys take a screenshot of that because I'm analyzing, I'm not checking the comments. I didn't see.
Okay.
Guys, people will take your spot, guys.
Yeah, you must be careful, guys. You must be careful.
Must be always awake. Can you mute your cell phone, Thapelo?
Yeah, I'm done.
Okay, perfect. Then go, please.
But I'm laughing.
That we're false winners.
Kinen is saying, my niggas. You see, I feel like those are happening. They don't even know.
They know.
Literally. It will also be like, because we're Kinen, like, oh, Kinen, my number, I'm giving my CV, my CU number. Because they're also anti, you know what I mean? They're anti, they just don't know. It's the wrong name. So I already see that the problem we're facing, guys. This is also one of the issues. If you get funded, this might have happened to you. Because we find people without pay.
How about your name is good student? Are you pardon?
How about your name is good student, man? It's all right. It happened.
Are you forgiven?
It's all right.
Okay, guys, let's calculate. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5.
Where do I celebrate?
So, Thapelo, can you give an advice to the audience? Are we selling or buying? What must happen for us to sell?
I know the answers. Let's move them with one. Let's see.
Okay.
Let's keep them alive.
Yes, okay, let's keep it alive. Are we guys selling or buying at this time? If we sell, what must happen for us to sell? What must happen for us to buy?
And those who are saying we must sell now, what is the reason why? I want to know what is your reason. What confirmed you're saying? Guys, we're still keeping the engagement, guys. Engage with us. Do understand, guys. Today it's FS Go students. So please, it is still a lesson at the same time while we're still giving you free accounts. Let's engage. Let's engage. We have my
Bayanda saying so.
Why?
Give us a reason.
We need your reason. You know, there's a true or false and give reason. When you just say true, there's no reason.
And tell us why. Why are you selling?
You must say selling and why.
And why are you buying?
Confirmation. And if you're not buying, why are you not buying? If you're not selling, why are you not selling? Every answer, make sure you come with the reason up.
Seeing keyword logic is saying sell if it doesn't break resistance.
Okay, sell if it doesn't break the resistance, meaning that we're going to respect our supply. We're going to have supply of sellers.
So that we are at our supply zone, guys. There's an area of selling. That's our sell zone. We are still below that area. So that one is right. Unfortunately, we've already given away accounts.
Yes.
So,
but don't worry, guys.
My question is, what if I say this? Can I have an opposition of a sale? But it's a sale. Guys, I won't lie, it's a sale.
Buys, yes. For those of who
It's
buys,
a sale.
you wanna hear
Yes.
debates, guys.
It's a sale. I agree with the sale, but let me oppose just for interest's sake.
Yes.
I'm saying we've been failing to break this point for a lot of times.
Facts,
What if the market has been doing what? Has been gaining momentum by doing this in order for it to break? Would you disagree with me?
You understand, guys? That is what you need to understand. Guys, there's probability and there's possibility.
Possibility.
Jeva will kill on that one. That's Jeva's spirit.
And possibilities and probabilities are very much important, but I would say for those who are saying it's a sell, I agree with them based on this reason. We're a line, we're respecting this for a lot of times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We broke above, we came to retest. Obviously, a sell will make more sense. But at the same
so to
time,
have a buy, for those who want to buy, you need to have a strong confirmation. You need to have your reasons why you have your buy.
So that answer is still right, guys. Of sell as long as we're still under the resistance.
For selling, you must sell as long as it's still below, but you must also have an entry point. Right now, your view is that you're going with the sell. Now, the main question you must have: when do I enter my sells? After what type of movement?
So that's what is important in Forex. Waiting, guys, not forcing trades. Never force trades. Whoever who's entering buys right now, you are forcing trades because there's no buy confirmation. But sell confirmations, we have it because we've broken above. We came to retest. Then sell confirmations, we do have it. But buys, there's nothing that says buys because we haven't done what? We haven't crossed above to retest the structure and continue.
Right there.
And if you're a buy, just know that that buy is a scalp. Only if you cross above the resistance, that's when it's a possible swing buy.
Yes, guys. Yes, guys.
Remember, guys, if you took a buy now, it's a premature entry. You are basically either eating the overall buy or you're eating a retest.
Yes,
just
guys.
know.
And guys, you know, most SFS Gold, we've already been doing a lot of giveaways, especially to the free community. That is why when we are analyzing right now on a free platform, we're not using Thapelo strategies. We're only using the strategies that we already gave out
on the private sections.
Yes, what we already gave us on the free community. The strategy we're using here is what's already out there on the free community. We'll never touch the VIP things when we're not analyzing on a VIP platform.
Thank you so much, my brother. Thank you.
Because I know there might be Thapelo parents now might say, guys, why are you not using the Fibonacci trending trends? Why are you not using this? Why are you not using that?
We can't give it for free. We can't give it for free.
You know it will be unfair to you. You saw the strategy's power of Thapelo. You saw the power. You understand? Sure.
So I'm done with this, guys. I think I've killed it. I've analyzed it. I'm done with it. Emmanuel, you wanna have the screen?
Nah, me, I'm good. Me, I'm still under recovery, my guy.
Yeah, guys. Today we're gonna
we left with 6 minutes. We left with 6 minutes. So let's just engage.
I wanted to say is we're gonna finish the session early. We're just gonna engage for the last time. Because we already have our 2 winners for this week, of which the amount is $55. Or let me just say 1,000 rands to just try to be more South African. And then what I want you guys to know is that Thapelo students, we are going to try to do this in a month at least twice. The other sessions will just to basically touch on the triple strategies. But once in a while, we're also going to give you guys a chance to win free fund accounts, because we've been helping a lot of free people, and they can testify with this. They know for a fact that the free community is getting the best of our side. That is why now we're also trying to make sure we shine light to those who are part of the family, to those who have joined us, so that we can have a strong, basically, future together. You understand? Thank you.
Another thing, guys, please be patient in your journey when it comes to Forex trading. I want you guys to know that you don't need to rush yourself when you're a trader. I recommend that you save some money, save some decent money. Always pay yourselves, because the market is also full of unannounced news events. So it's better for you guys to protect your capital. Money saved is better than money lost. And don't put pressure on yourself, guys. The Forex market requires patience. Some of you might have different winning seasons. Somebody can win in a year, somebody might take in 5 years, some might take in 10. So just know that for you it's going to be different. Just have to be strong enough to survive the journey.
And I have one more last thing I want to see from you guys. Can whoever who has booked a spot for them to come to Pretoria the 7th of October 2022, comment right now by "I have booked my spot for Pretoria on the 7th." Can everyone who has done
Guys, do you know that? Do you know actually, guys? It's actually next week Friday. Like, this is the last week, guys. Next week Friday it is the 7th. Literally.
Yes.
Next
so
week
can
Friday.
Whoever who has booked a spot on Pretoria, please comment. I want to see you. I want to see you. Who has funded an account and booked for Pretoria? Can they comment right now, please?
Shout out Reagan. Shout out.
We have just said Thabo Gift. That's the first person. He says he has booked. We have Thabo Gift. Someone's crying about loading. I have booked for PTA on the 7th. I can't even wait, bro. We have we have another person. Do you guys have documents? I asked the question. Can that question be respected, please? We have Paul Sin. He says he has funded 500 rands. That's amazing. I'm looking forward to the opportunity. The market has break the resistance. Okay. How do I book? Oh, there are people who still asking how do they book.
Link on the description. Link on the description.
Link is on the description.
Join the giveaway group.
You must join the giveaway group, then you're gonna get the access. How do I book? I'm in Pretoria. Can I just do this? Let me comment with let me say giveaway. Join this group right now. Let me send the link right now. There is also a link there, but let me just do it for interest's sake. Check the Almighty Jaguar right now. I'm gonna comment.
Can't wait to go to Pretoria.
Yeah.
Can't wait to go to PTA.
Take a screenshot. FS Code just commented right now. Take a screenshot of that link and join it right now.
Dango. Guys, the session is at the end. Guys, the session is at the end. We're at the conclusion. The end scenes.
Goodbye, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. FS Goods, your mentor, signing out.
Yes, sir, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed your session. Next week, we're gonna just see you guys normally. FS Go students, we're gonna start talking about the triple strategies next week as well.
On a private session.
That's when we're gonna touch down on the strategies. Nonetheless, you guys.
If you haven't got the 3.0, you are in trouble.
You're in trouble. Nonetheless, guys, this is got your mentor.
Signing out.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.